I think I might die. Mate, look at these jackets. They got flames on. Mate, this is gonna be dangerous and fun. I feel bad. I feel bad to the bone. This guy is an absolute... This guy's an absolute joker. Jake nearly ran that guy over. Yay! Is this so snakes don't go up your legs and bite your butts off? Mate, this is mental. This literally is like a fucking Jurassic Park. There's a velociraptor man somewhere.
You guys aren't cold? No, really?
What fucking fish is that?
So all of the footage before this was from Benji, but now I'm using his GoPro because I don't have a chest mount. Well, anymore, because I broke mine. It's absolutely amazing, just chilling on the bikes and stuff. Look at it. Look at that helmet here. Yeah, this bike experience is absolutely amazing. It's so much fun. Seeing wild kangaroos, probably seen about 400 wild kangaroos in the last 2 hours. Yeah, it's time to get back on the bikes. Whipping excursion. He said he had a flat.
Oh, I don't think it's flat. It's just like not super full. not super full. Actually, you can't damn badly. And that was hard before. Bloody hell, Frank. Yeah. Frankie, open the door, brother.
Got a flat tyre. Look at the flames. Did you have fun? That was fucking amazing.